Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download a report from Google Ads. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by going to the left-hand navigation and clicking on Campaigns. This takes you into the main workspace where your performance data lives and ensures all the relevant options are available. From there, move to Insights and Reports. This section is the central hub for visualizations export data. Next, click on Report Editor. Think of the Report Editor as your workspace, where you can create new reports or fine-tune existing ones to match the metrics and dimensions you care about most. Before downloading anything, take a moment to review the report. Make sure the date range, columns, and any filters align with what you're trying to analyze. Once everything looks correct, open the report you want to download and allow it a moment to fully load, so all data and visuals render properly. When the report is open, look at the top bar and click Download. Google Ads allow to download your report in many formats. Select your preferred format. After clicking Download, Google Ads will prepare the file and your browser will begin downloading it automatically. Depending on your browser settings, you may see a confirmation pop up or find the file directly in your default Downloads folder. If the report is large, just give it a little extra time to finish so you receive the complete dataset. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download a report from Google Ads. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.